Hello cuties, I hope you all are fine and doing well at your homes. Welcome to Learn Forward from Hi Kids with the Cap. Today we will study Chapter 5 Kite from Art and Activity Skill Book. Take out your white and green color book. Take out your white and green color book fast. All of you like to fly kites? All of you like to fly kites? Yes? Okay. Now take out your, which color is this? Which color is this? Blue. Which color is this? Blue. Take out your blue color. This is blue color. Take out your blue color. Take out your blue color. And start doing blue color with me. I hope you all are enjoying. Do it neatly. Do it neatly. Do it neatly. And fill the gaps. Fill the gaps. All of you are enjoying. Again tell me which color is this? Blue color. Now take out your yellow color. Take out your yellow color. Take out your yellow color fast and start doing with me. Start doing with me. Do it neatly and slowly. Neatly and slowly. All of you are doing now. Complete it fast. Again, we will revise. This is blue color and this is yellow color. I hope you all are enjoyed. Happy learning. See you soon in the next class. Bye-bye.